Hi everyone, this is Anusha here and I welcome you all to our channel Taste and Flavors. Our recipe of the day is garlic rasam, which can be prepared in just 15 minutes. We can have this rasam with steamed rice and papad in these cold winters. If you like our recipe, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to give your suggestions in the comment section below. Let's check the ingredients to prepare our recipe. Tomato 1, garlic 8 to 10, tamarind 10 grams, curry leaves 2 sprigs, coriander 2 spoons, green chilli 2 to 3, cumin seeds 1 spoon, mustard seeds 1 spoon, peppercorns half spoon, salt as per your taste, turmeric half spoon, asafoetida or hing 1/4 spoon, red chilli 2 to 3, oil 3 to 4 spoons. Let's prepare our recipe. In a mixer jar, add half spoon cumin seeds, peppercorns, garlic and grind coarsely. Now take a saucepan and add 2 spoons oil, green chilli, curry leaves and fry them. Add coarsely grinded garlic and fry well for 30 seconds. Add chopped tomatoes and saute them for 1 minute. Now add tamarind, turmeric, salt as per your taste and mix well. Add approximately 2 cups of water and mix well. Now add chopped coriander also and mix once. Let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Now take small tadka pan and heat 1 spoon oil. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, red chilli, 1 spoon finely chopped garlic, curry leaves, hing or asafoetida and fry well. Now add this tadka to our garlic rasam and mix well. Serve it hot in these cold winters with steamed rice and papad. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Do not forget to click the bell icon for more updates.